I want us to talk about this amazing trade GBPJPY, and as usual guys, you know how I do it. I do document my trades before the trade make moves, and also show you what I saw when I was analyzing the market and how I made that entry. Okay, so first things first, let me show you GBPJPY, how the market was looking like when I call out this signal to my VIP. Let me just show you. Just a minute. Okay, right here. When was this? Let me just show you. This was on March 28th. Okay, so you can maybe pause this video, try to zoom around this area. That was March 28th, and the market took time to play out. This is when I said, okay, I'm in, risk only 1%. But at the same time guys, it was holiday, so it took time to play out. Okay, this is the madness that the market was doing. But as usual guys, I keep on saying patience is the key. So let me just show you how I analyze this market, what I saw, and why I took that sell position. So I'll hit on that replay tool, take it back to the daily. Okay, all right, so from the daily perspective guys, you can see that this is how the market was looking like. And of course, it's not making sense. Okay, so you only need to I keep on saying that guys, trends somehow are usually powerful. Okay, so I'll say that this is what I was looking out for. Okay, I saw, okay, we had, of course, the market is in an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so if this market was giving us bullish property, I believe most people were looking out for buy position. But I went on to understand this market more. Okay, so what if I say this was the last low right here, and of course this was the last high. Okay, and at the same time we had a trend. Let me just say 1 2 3 right over here, and at the same time we had a resistance trend line just like that. So those are the things that started guiding me, making me to look out for what the market is doing before making a decision. So right now I have nothing in mind. Bear in mind, I'm just trying to understand what this market is trying to say. So heading over to the H4, let me show you something. Okay, I started seeing something guys. Okay, so this market was somehow looking nice. Remember, let me show you, we had a previous high right over here. Okay, and then I said, okay, if that was the previous high, what if I bring in this zone right here? And that is what came to my attention guys. I said, okay, what if this market wants to give me a head and shoulder? Probably that's the left shoulder. Then the market went up, gave me a right shoulder, and now probably this market wants to drop to complete that right shoulder. So the moment I saw that, okay, this market is kind of giving me a bearish property. Remember, most people are in for buys, but I saw bearish property. That is when I said there's no way I'm looking for buys on this market anymore. And that is the reason why I started looking for sell properties. Okay, so I'll remove this. Bear in mind, my take profit was this level. Okay, so I'll do this right over here. Okay, we had a first touch, second touch. Okay, right there. So let's just not make our chart dirty. So let's have it right there. So let's go to the H1. Okay, right over here I started looking for sell property. Like I said before, remember, if we were looking for sell property, then that means all these drop, this is just an impulse, and of course expect correction or a continuation, then we expect the market to continue dropping. And at the same time, there is also another conference here, that's a double top. That's also the reason why I can say that this is the reason why the market dropped. Okay, so okay, let me just continue analyzing guys. 1 2 3 right over here. Okay, somehow like this. Okay, and at the same time, if you kind of look at this market properly, let me try to zoom guys. This market gave us another confirmation that it wanted to go down. This is a head and shoulder, and that is why it dropped. So those are just confidence guys that I'm trying to add on to this market. If that's a head and shoulder, then we expect a continuation pattern to go down. Okay, bear in mind. Okay, let me just show this. We have a left shoulder, this is the head, and of course this is a right shoulder. So if we had a right shoulder, a head and shoulder, then this is a neckline, and that's why the market broke. So the reason why the market broke is just like I said, because of that head and shoulder, and as usual, after an impulse we expect a correction. So the moment I saw that and said, okay, now we good to go. Okay, so let me remove this. Let me remove this right over here, and now start to analyze this level right over here, just to concentrate on this, because now I understood that that is kind of a continuation pattern. And let me hit the 15. Now I'm looking for a sell position. Okay, let's see. Okay, right over here onto that head and shoulder thing, that continuation, there's also a double top right over here, guys. GBPJPY was having so many sell properties, guys. I wonder why most people are taking buys on this. So let's see what the market did. Broke, went up, gave me another triple top. Okay, so conference after conference, then I hit that sell position. Now bear in mind, this was I believe Friday, I believe so. Now we had holiday. Was it Friday or Thursday? I believe I made this entry position on Thursday evening, and now Friday we had a public holiday, so the market was choppy, not moving. We had bigger spreads, so this is what was happening during that period. And Monday, yesterday, of course, Monday we also had a holiday, so nothing happened. So you see how choppy this market was. And if you are not patient, guys, this market really acts. I believe most will have closed in their sell position, definitely. Okay, so when Monday came, of course, JPY had news. So, and I saw a candlestick, a bigger candlestick, went all the way up. But I was not going to close my position, because remember, I had a level that there's no way that this market could have taken that level. And if it took that level, then now my sell position was invalid. So I could have just accepted the fate and start looking for buy property. So let's see. You see right there, you see the market's doing nothing. And right there, this was Monday. You see how that candlestick was. It was an engulfing candlestick, and almost took us out. Let me see how many pips to our stop loss. That was around 10 pips, and the market could have, price could have taken us out. But I was not going to close my position. So either way, let the market take me out. And guess what? The market did this. Okay, so now when I looked at this market properly, and I said, okay, now I believe now she is ready to drop. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It gave me another head and shoulder, left shoulder right there, head and a right shoulder right there. So that is when I said, yo, it's time for us to crash. Let's see what the market did. That's an amazing thing, guys. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say. Okay, so how much was this? $83 pips. Okay, so the market dropped 83 pips. Oh, let me see, it kept on dropping, guys. 95 pips, which is an amazing thing. And now we see the market starting to pull back, to our entry position. That is our initial entry position, guys. You see how easy the market is to understand, guys. We don't need to complicate things, guys. As long as you understand the market movement, pure price action. I don't care about the fundamental, don't care about the news. Okay, as long as you understand the properties, is it a bullish property or is it a bearish property, then everything is going to be easy for you. I believe forex is going to be easy for you guys. Okay, now I've seen something as we talk. I've seen, okay, the reason why this market kind of pulled back right over here. Once again, there's also a reversal sign. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and of course this is right shoulder. So the market gave us a bullish property. That was a bullish reversal structure, guys. Okay, So I believe you guys understood everything that I talked about, and if you do not understand, please kindly rewatch this video. Take it slow, step by step, until you get it, guys. And if you don't understand, of course, I'm offering a premium mentorship that is a lifetime. Check out link in my description. That is the Telegram channel link in my description. I also give out free signals, guys, so check out link in the description. And adios amigos, peace.